How to customize notification sound on your iPhone running on iOS 26. To do this is very simple. Go ahead and tap on the settings button. Scroll up and tap on sound and haptics. It comes out like this. Now you can see you have text tone, voicemail, new mail. So you can select any of these. So let's tap on new mail. Then from here, you can select any tone that suits you, depends on you. Now that I've done that, you can as well select any specific tone for any apps on your device. Come back to the main setting here, then scroll down to the app section, tap on it. So from here, select any of these app you want to customize its notification sound. So for message, for example, I want to do that of message, tap on message. Now that I've tapped on message, it comes out like this. Now here you see this button called notification, tap on it. Or tap on, then scroll up a bit until you see this button that says sound, tap on it. Or tap on it, it comes out like this. Now you can select any of these sounds that you wish to add as message notification on your device. So as well, you can go and tap on classic. So under classic, you have different notification sound that you can select on this platform. That is that. Then you can as well try the same process for another app. Let's try another apps by search for another apps here, guys. Let's look for WhatsApp. For example, if it works well on WhatsApp, tap on it or tap on it, then go ahead and tap on notification. Then scroll down again, you can see it's not working well on WhatsApp. You cannot customize that of WhatsApp. So not every app that you can customize its notification. That's all, guys. If you enjoyed this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.